everybody. This is Wee from Mama Wee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's video, guys, we are going to be making crispy baked potato wedges. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, cut the potatoes into wedges. Guys, if you want to know how to cut potatoes into wedges, I have a video. I'll leave the link somewhere up here. Go check it out. It will walk you step by step. Next, place the cut wedges in a bowl. Season with garlic salt and paprika. Drizzle with olive oil. Then using your hands, mix everything together until all potato wedges are coated with the seasoning. Make sure your hands are clean, guys. I love using my hands, the best kitchen tool ever. If you feel the potatoes need a little bit of oil, you can add about 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well. Next, we're gonna spread the potato wedges skin down in a parchment lined baking sheet. Do not lay them flat, guys. Make sure that the pointy side is facing up. Then we're gonna bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. I just pulled out the wedges, guys. They are perfectly seasoned, soft and fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Serve with ketchup. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.